Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick video on repairing my Genie garage door opener. I went to use it earlier this week, and when the door is trying to open, it just starts making this awful grinding noise, which I can do for you real quick. So after doing a little bit of research, it's actually kind of an easier fix than you might think. So that little black piece up there, it's called the trolley. It has a little gear in it that gets stripped out. So this is a screw drive opener. So we'll get up there. I ended up ordering a replacement trolley, and we're going to get that on there and get it fixed. So as you can see, here's the trolley. This is a replacement piece here. Got it straight from the Genie website. It was actually the best deal, and I was able to find it pretty easy. So first thing you want to do is get it all the way at the end of the track here towards the door and disengage with this lever. That relieves the pressure, makes it loose on there. Next thing we're going to need to do is pull this pin out, get this arm down. Be careful with it because it's pretty heavy, and you don't want it to slam down and put a dent in your door. And then we got to take this bolt off, and this track will just slide off, and then we'll slide the new one on, and it should be good to go. All right, let's get this old one off of here. Got a little cotter pin. Try it out. This arm swings down here. Just gotta stick this back in for now so I don't lose it. You got it loose. As you can see, there's no room to push it out without taking this off. So this little bolt back here is 13 millimeter. We're gonna get it taken off of here. This one's actually pretty loose already. Should. There we go. Now you don't want to put too much torque on this, but in my garage there's a gap up here where the roof meets, so I can slide this right off. Just like that. You can see a little gear drive on here. It's a little worn out. Very worn out, actually. Then we're just going to slide the new guy on there. Make sure you do it in the same orientation. The little loop goes in the back. Got that on there. Get our nut back on that. Mine was pretty loose, so it's a good thing I'm up here doing this because it was very loose on there. Guess after years of vibrations, it'll do that to it. Okay, easy enough. We're going to get this pin back up on here. Good on that. You'll want to get your string off of here, get it back on there. I'll have to do that later on this one. But all you got to do to re-engage it, pull this switch back. Like that, clicks into place. And you're good to go, your trolley's replaced. Alright, we're ready to give it a test. Something you're going to want to do is get some garage lubricant and spray the whole screw drive on that and get it soaked down. It's mostly white lithium grease products, So if you get generic white lithium grease, that's probably going to be better than most other lubricants you would try. But Genie does sell their specific stuff too. Let's give this a try, see if it works. There we go. Quieter than ever too.